to do 8 goes into 248, so now we're going to do another problem, and I'll show you one more time. How many times 4 goes into 248? So first question, just like we asked over here, how many times does 4 go into this first number? 4 goes into 2 0 times because 4 is bigger than 2. So we do 0 times 4, 0. Subtract, drop the 2, and drop the 4. Now we ask, how many times does 4 go into 24? Well, from our multiplication tables, we know that 4 times 6 is 24. So it goes 6 times. So you put that above the 24. 6 times 4, 24. You write that right below it. Subtract it down to get 0, and drop the final number. You only drop one number at a time. So now we have, how many times does 4 go into 8? Well, 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So 4 goes into 8 twice. 2 times 4 is 8. You continue to drop it down, and we subtract and get a 0. So we have no remainders because there's no more numbers to drop. So that means that 248 divided by 4 is 62. And that's your answer. So now that I've showed you guys how to do it twice, we're going to do another problem. I'm going to help you guys through it. So we're going to do, how many times does 3 go into 966? Okay. So first question we ask is, how many times does 3 go into 9? Well, how many times does 3 go into 9?
3.
3, right, because 3 times 3 is 9. So we put a 3 up here. 3 times 3 is 9. Subtract, just like we did over here. We get 0, and drop the next number down. 3 goes into 6. Well, how many times does 3 go into 6?
2.
2, right, because 2 times 3 is 6. So we put a 2 up here. 2 times 3, 6. Subtract, just like we've done multiple times. Drop the last number down. And it's a 6 again. So we just went over how many times 3 goes into 6. So 3 goes into 6 how many times?
2.
2, right. So we put our final number up here. 3 times 2 is 6, which means we subtract, and we still have a 0. Well, there's no more numbers to drop down. Make sure we check that. 0 left. So that means 966 divided by 3 is 322. So that would be our final answer. So here's a problem for you guys to try. Okay, 586 divided by 2. So I'm going to have you guys pick up your pencils and try it now. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask.